one touching image from the storm in Texas. You guys, it shows this dog on a mission. So this little guy's name's Otis. He was walking along the street in Sinton, Texas on Saturday. In his mouth, a bag of dog food. So a woman put this picture on Facebook. It went viral. Then she followed Otis to make sure he wasn't lost. Well, he led her to the home of Salvador Segovia, who was dog sitting for his grandson. Otis apparently got scared by the storm on Friday night. He bolted outside, but you know what? He knew they sold dog food at a lumber store down the road, so he fetched a bag, brought it back, flopped down on the porch. It turns out Otis is known pretty well around town, especially at the local Dairy Queen. They like to give this dog like burgers and ice cream. So he's a celebrity. He knew where to get the grub, and he knew how to bring it where he needed to go.
He's adorable, very
Otis?
resourceful.
Yes. Otis doing his part.
Very cute. Hoda, thank you.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.